Hello everyone, it's Hanny with the Young Journal Embellishment Challenge number 68. And the prompt is camping. And I'm going to make a journaling card. I hope. This is what I could find about camping. These are pictures from a magazine with, well, old pictures of people camping, you see, and a drawn tent and some camping chairs. And here too, are a few little pictures about camping. Well, this is a card. Well, there's camping on it. We have been on this camping in the Netherlands. And this piece of paper I have, and here are a few drawings. Here is no camping on it. No, it's just traveling. Oh, here is yeah, mobile home. How do you call that? Here, a camper van. So I like these pictures. So I think I'm going to cut them out. I think I'm going to make yeah, a kind of collage. I'm going to cut these pictures out, and well, this is a little card. I thought maybe I can use this as a journaling card. It's a little one, and this is a bit too big, so I think I'm going to look for some other piece of paper and gluing things on it. So I speed up again the video, and we'll see what will happen. I hope you enjoy watching.